24/7. Okay, looks like I got some stamps and cards. First day cover. Little packet of stamps. I like the ones in cards. I can put them in storage and not have to worry about them getting damaged. First day cover. A package envelope of stamps. Another first day cover and another. Envelope of stamps. Oh, these are neat. These are kind of a three-dimensional type of stamp. When you move them, they change colors. There's some loose stamps. I don't know where those came from. Another package of stamps from Indonesia, Poland, Russia and Czechoslovakia, oh, here's where those loose ones came from, the envelope tore. I like triangle stamps, they're pretty nice. And I got a card with some banknotes from Indonesia and Peru. Here's a first day cover from Germany. Another package of stamps. Envelope. Cuba. And I got a stock book. Very nice. Looks like it's white pages. I'm not going to go through the whole book. I'm going to skip a few pages at a time. Oh, this is awkward. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you'll buy some stamps from Nordfrim. They're pretty good.